Asebedo ka kalo ya chiedh nade mapek kaluwore ni nitiere jogo ma osebedo ka buogo ngimana kendo chuna mondo agwe tao. Ma en milome mane Kamishona mar IEBC Irene Masit ochiwo ne aput mabiro nono ketho mare. Kokalo kuom okil mar Donald Korir koweyo buoko moseyudo to nyaka mwandu mane omiyo kaluwore kod oteku mar apise osemaye duto e tok chik. Jafwambo marwa Eric Owenga ni kod ler mathoth.
E romo mar keto ikruok nono ketho mar Masit mane obagi KICD Boreka, aput mar jokanyo abich ka otel ni kod jang'ad buche Aggrey Muchelule nochopo. Kata kod okon Masit ema koro odong' e apis tok Kamishona adek gwe tao, aput no noramo ni nyaka gadieri bi nyanyre e lela.
Our view, and will be comprehensive on this, that the commissioners each took the appointment. It was an individual appointment and individual oath that was taken in regard to the Constitution, and it is individual quest for the removal of the commissioner, and therefore we will proceed and inquire into the allegations that were contained in the petition as conveyed to us.
It's not removal of the members, it is removal of the respective members individually according to the phrasing of the Gazette notice, and actually also according to the phrase and provisions of Article 251(1).
Kata kamano, okil mar Masit mano Donald Korir mano yore loe no chwako lwasi ka ywak ni jal ma oyalo ne osebedo ka kale matek sidang gino ma odwaro ni aputno omi pek mokwongo. Gino mane aputno owacho ni podi ok oyudo ler makamano.
Someone known to my client called my client, a lady friend of ours. I mean, they haven't spoken in a long while, and told her that she must resign by today. Otherwise, like she was given an ultimatum that she resigns or something will happen to her. So I don't know what, she meant. She knows the lady who called her, and she informed me about it. And so, that's an issue for this tribunal.
Now, as to the question of people pushing her to resign, for the time being, we'll treat it the same way as tribunal being a busaden. That means it's a rumor, okay? Because we are not a busaden. It's a rumor, one of those rumors. So yours will treat it as a rumor because there's nothing really factually placed before us. If you tell us that so and so by name, because we go by name, has asked or is putting pressure on a commissioner to resign, then we can deal with it.
Korir no lero ni kata kodoko ni Masit podi oyiene katiba mar winjo maber kaka commissioner to e kinde mosekalo osebedo mana kogwanyore gi pado.
What has happened is, of course, our salary is now half, but also they've withdrawn a car, a driver, and people, basically our staff. And this tribunal is a constitutional body. So we must, it's your duty, it's your obligation. You are bound by the Constitution to protect the integrity of the process. So it's for this body to pronounce itself that whoever did withdraw the driver and the bodyguard of the commissioner should rescind the decision and reinstate driver, a car, and a bodyguard. She's a constitutional officer. She's a commissioner. She's not been sacked. She's not removed there. So the question says it's only the salary that is halved, but the other benefits remain.
Motelo, okil Korir no kone apudno ni onge kaka nonro nyalo dhi nyime to ne gin ji ang'wen mane itudo kod ketho makamano to sani koro Masit kende emudong.
The notice appointed you to investigate 4 commissioners. Now that there is only 1 commissioner remaining, then there has to be a new mandate, or unless this tribunal says there's a mandate to revise the Gazette notice on its own motion and proceed against one commissioner.
Aput nong'ado ni jogo mane ochwalo ng'ur mar thicho oko commissioners go Irene Masit obiro ket ikruok kapodi ok ochopo tarik 19 mar dweni motelo ne chako nonro ayanga.
You can say the ruling online, but I don't.
Kweth mane ochwalo ng'ur mar golo commissioners 4 mag IBC e tich koro biro bedo jogo mokwongo biro chopo e nyim aput mane ochuog kod jatend piny William Ruto tarik 20 mar dweni ka koro safar mar golo Irene Masit biro chakre ayanga. Eric Owenga, Ramogi TV, Nairobi.